About to do this starter relay test. Took the seat off. Xpro Bolt. Now, turn it back on. And you're supposed to touch these two. Same, even if I press this. Yeah, I'm killing the battery, I guess. But then the motherfucker trying to die. Sound like I'm killing the battery. This ain't trying to start. That's the relay test.